What a pig. That girl eats too much. She's so skinny. I eat a little bit of... I'm alright. Look. Look at all that she's eating. She's doing it in my room so I can get in, so she can spill soda all over my cell phone too, huh? See, look, there goes her soda too. Look at her. That's disgusting. Oh. I must be one. I'll just try to, like, not let me eat.
Fatty.
See, she calls me fat. She's the one who eats all of it. See, I told you she's fat. She eats so much. I think I know. I think it's good. See, look at that. That's what she's eating for dinner. Tastes so good.